Stay tuned for my protein swab test results after cleaning up with a Norwex microfiber. So here you'll notice that I am folding my EnviroCloth into a flat surface rather than a scrunched up surface to ensure proper mechanical cleaning. And here I have my swab test, my raw chicken, and my EnviroCloth. So now that I've rubbed my raw chicken juice on the counter, I'll use my wet with water EnviroCloth to wipe once and wipe twice, and she'll be all clean. Wait for the results. I'm rinsing my EnviroCloth with water and I'll hang it to dry for the next 24 hours, allowing the backlock to do its job. Now, time for the protein swab test. Green is the only thing with a check mark. Green means good. Anything else has an X. Now I'll rub the swab all over the area we had wiped with the EnviroCloth. I'll even get the sides to make sure we didn't miss anything. Remember, green means good. So here I'll snap the top to allow the liquid to go down to the bottom and shake, 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 see what we find. And we have green! Green means good. Green is clean. So now, just to show you that this really is chicken and there really is protein on that surface before cleaning it, I'm going to rub it on there and swab it again. You can already see it's changing color. It was like a light gray color, so we'll swab one more time just to see. Check out the purple already showing on there. And there you have it. The protein swab test shows there was indeed protein on that counter.